Let's talk about GLP-1 and GIP, hydration and electrolytes, what you need to know. Have you been told to drink enough water while using GLP-1 and GIP therapies? Why hydration is so important, we're going to look at that. And what do electrolytes have to do with it? Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Twiki. I'm a double amputee and I need to look after my own weight and health, and that's why I started to do research. On this channel we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP therapies in a simple, practical way. In my previous videos we've discussed how these therapies work inside of our bodies, their benefits and common side effects, and why protein is so important. While today we're talking about hydration and electrolytes. As always, I'm not a doctor. Remember this always. I'm not a doctor and this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult with your own healthcare provider regarding your own health needs. I cannot help you with that. I'm not a professional. One reason why hydration is so important is that many people eat and drink less while using GLP-1 and GIP therapies. Now, if you're drinking less, your body may not be getting enough fluids. And that is very dangerous. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling tired or dizzy or can leave you with a terrible headache. And that is why it's so important drinking water regularly throughout the day, and it can help you support your overall well-being. Now let's talk about electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals inside of your body such as sodium, potassium and magnesium. Now they help your body maintain fluid balance and support healthy muscles and nerves. And it's important to maintain a fluid balance. If you're experiencing vomiting or diarrhea, or you're simply not eating or drinking enough, that is very dangerous. Your electrolyte balance may be affected. Now, many people can maintain healthy electrolyte levels by eating a balanced diet and staying well hydrated. That is why it's so important. On any diet, they will tell you drink enough water. So if you have concerns speaking with your healthcare provider before using electrolyte supplements, it's very important. Listen to your body. So what are simple hydration tips I can give you? Keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. Sip water throughout the day instead of drinking large amounts at once, and that was me. I was guilty of it, and it's not healthy for your body also. Include water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon and oranges when appropriate. It's very important. Pay attention to signs of thirst and dehydration. Listen to your body. Listen how you're feeling. One thing I've learned through my own health journey is that small daily habits often can make the biggest difference in this world. Something as simple as drinking enough water every day can support your health more than you sometimes realizes. And that is very important. Hydration may seem like a small step, but small steps add up to lasting change. In the next video, we're going to talk about emotional hunger, guilty as charged, versus physical hunger, and knowing why the difference can be so helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with someone who might benefit from it. So don't forget to download your free PDF introduction regarding GLP-1 and GIP. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, stay hydrated and see you next time. Bye-bye.